Hey everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Hope you're all having a great weekend. So we're gonna do I Love Etsy List 3, episode 11 today. I think I said it right this time. Okay, so as you guys know, I've been listing 10 items a day, even though I haven't been doing a video every day, but I have been doing my listings every day. And it's very important to list every day. Uh, my suggestion is to do 10 a day, but if you can't do 10, do it however many you can, but try to do listings every single day. That really does help, and I've noticed a difference in sales when it comes to listing as opposed to not listing. And I've noticed that every day, one day that I don't list, I lose sales, and I don't have any sales that day. I don't have any more sales. That day I don't have sales. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is I'm not gonna show you the items that are already sold because I've already shipped everything out. So we're gonna do the items that I have listed. Okay, the first one, and it's gonna be 10 items. The first one is these heart-shaped earrings here with coral centers. And these are marked Mexico in the back, and they're very pretty. They're not too heavy. They're just the right size, and they do have coral centers, and they are marked in the back. And there's some other things marked besides Mexico, but I can't really make it out. And these ones I listed for 35. And I'm only saying 35. There is a 20% sale on them, but just in case the sale ends, it's not now, but they are going to be 35 if it doesn't have the sale on them. With the sale on them, they're going to be 20%. 20% off of what I'm saying today. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Number 2 is across this one here. Look how beautiful this is. I really love this cross. I've never seen one like this before, made out of little kind of like balls here. Very pretty. It's just the perfect size. I even like the ball chain that it has on it. And it is marked here on the bail. And the chain also is marked. And I did test them. They are sterling silver. And because it's such a unique piece, I did go ahead and list this one for 45. Okay, next item. We have this one here. Okay, this one, it's marked FAS 925. And FAS stands for fused alloy silver. It's not sterling silver. So, and I'm not sure what the stones are, but they are a very rich, nice, pretty blue. And they are a great size. And they are in really good condition. So I didn't list these for too much. I listed them for $12. But they are really nice. I'm sure somebody's going to love these. Especially because the color is so rich. I've never seen such a rich blue. Okay. So let's go to the next one here. We have this one here. It's a hematite turtle. And I know a lot of people love turtles. This is very pretty. I'm not sure what the chain is. This is one thing that I didn't test because I don't know why I didn't test this. There's a possibility that this can be liquid silver. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and test it before I put the listing up because as this video loads, I'll get a chance to list it. And if it is silver, I'll add it into the listing. But I will keep the price the same. I listed this for 15. Okay. So next, because we had that turtle, I decided to add these little tiny, am I going to say it wrong again? Cloisonne. Cute little sterling cloisonne enameled, pretty cute little tiny turtles. Very cute. For those of you that like turtles, these are perfect. And they do have the backs, and I listed the turtles for 12, which if you get it on the sale, when it's on sale, it's going to be less than that. It's very pretty. And they are on sale now. Okay. So next we have this one here. It's a pendant, and it has a little parrot. It has a peridot stone here, and this one here is an amethyst. I love the shapes. I love this little kind of like a teardrop shape and the triangular one on top. And this also was tested and is sterling silver. And I'm going to include the chain as well. And I listed this one for $30. Okay, so what do we have next? Oh, I don't know if you guys saw my owls video of the you know, the lot that I got from Shop Goodwill with a bunch of owls. I did list a lot of the owls, and a few of them did sell. A few of them I did sell a few of them because as a you know, when you mail out invoices, I did them that way because I did have a few people message me about them. But there are a few more listed, and this one I'm going to add to it too. This is really pretty. It's enameled. It's a very large size one, and I added this gold and black kind of like stringy necklace to it. And I listed this one for 12. It's very pretty, and it has its gold tone in the back. So here's one. And if you guys didn't see that video and you like owls, go watch the video. It's really cool. It's a whole bunch of everything came out owls, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, pendants, lots of owls. Okay, so we have, what do we have next? Oh, this one here. Okay, this is really pretty. It's square shaped pearls, and I'm pretty sure that these are water pearls, and and does have the sterling silver findings. So this one I listed for $20, and it's 7.5 inches, so it's pretty big. It's pretty long. So, see, what do we have next? Taxco. Oh, this one here. Okay, so this is another cross that I have. It's very pretty, and it is marked by the Taxco mark in the back. And I really love this chain. I'm not sure what this chain is called. If anybody knows, please comment below. It's kind of like they look like little like boxes. So I'm not sure if it's called an actual box chain. Okay, so this cross has kind of like a gold tone plate in the front. I'm not sure if it's brass or if it's sterling, but it does have that gold tone one in the front of it. But I did test the rest of it, and the rest is sterling, and it is also marked in the back. And because this is a unique, nice piece, and I couldn't find anything like it. I looked and looked, and I couldn't find anything even similar to this. So I did go ahead and list this one for 45. Okay, what do we have next? Next is, okay, this rhinestone necklace here. Look how pretty this is. Okay, we have this necklace, and it comes with the matching earrings and the backs, which is hard. Sometimes they don't come with the backs, but it did. Okay, so this set I listed for $12. So I did list a few more other items that I'm not showing today. I'm only showing 10 today because we're doing 10 a day. But I did list a few more. I think I listed 4 more extra items. But it's always good to add, if you have the time, it's always good to add more items. So I did list 4 more extra items besides the 10 that I have today. And we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know on my next video. And if there's anything that you want me to list, like rings or, you know, pendants, let me know what items that you like. If you like pendants, rings, bracelets, earrings, and I'll go ahead and list those in my next video. And just give me a second. Okay, guys, I stopped the video because I wanted to go get something I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so I got this from the thrift store. It's a necklace here with, let me see how many strands it has. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. Very pretty. I love this, the gold on this. I don't know if you guys can see in the video how nice the gold color is on this. And I'm trying to figure, I do have a jewelry group. I haven't posted it there yet. But look at this, guys. Look at the sign over here. Isn't that the Silpada mark in the beginning, in the front? This one over here. I'm trying to figure out what this is. From what I know, Silpada only makes sterling silver jewelry. So I don't think that it is Silpada. But if anybody knows this mark here, KR, I tried to look it up. I couldn't really find anything, and I haven't posted it in my group yet. But if you know anything about it, please go ahead and put it into the comments, because this is really pretty. And these here are real crystals. And not the pearls, but the crystals are real. And I think it's a really fun and cool piece, and I wanted to share with you guys. So let me know in the comments if you know anything about this piece, if this is Silpada, or if I know sometimes designers do kind of like a collaboration with other designers. I'm thinking maybe this is something like that where Silpada collaborated with a different designer, but I could be wrong. But I just wanted to ask, just in case somebody out there knows. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about this. If nobody knows anything, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and post it in my group. And once again, my Facebook group is called There's Always Room for Jewelry. I will put the link below. It's a really fun, great group. If you haven't joined already, please go ahead and do so. A lot of information in that group, and just like I said, I'm going to post this there, but I wanted to show you guys there, show you guys first. So please go ahead and join. Hope you guys had fun with this video. I'll let you know what happens in my next Etsy adventure. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Thank you, everyone.